Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix service shifter RAM 1500 only ways. Begin by parking on level ground, engaging the parking brake, and disconnecting the battery before you touch the shifter assembly. Remove the trim carefully, inspect the cable and shift module for wear, and test continuity with a multimeter. Replace any frayed cable or faulty switch, reassemble trim, reconnect the battery, and confirm the shifter operates without the service message. Start by scanning error codes and testing the shifter switch to isolate the problem. Use a multimeter to check for continuity and a scan tool to clear codes after repairs. Lubricate moving parts, replace worn bushings, and adjust the cable length per factory specs to restore proper range. If the electronic module fails, swap with a known good unit or consult wiring diagrams before replacing major components. Always test road operation. Common pitfalls include ignoring bent cables, skipping switch tests, or failing to secure connectors properly. Double-check alignment, harness clips, and ground points before reassembly. After reinstallation, verify park-to-drive shifts and observe instrument cluster messages while someone cycles the shifter slowly. If the service shifter message persists, rerun diagnostics, inspect for BCM faults, and consider a professional calibration or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.